मेरे चैनल गुरजीत वालिया में आपका स्वागत है। मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें, बेल आइकन जरूर दबाएं और वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो कमेंट्स भी करें, शेयर भी करें। इस लॉकडाउन में आप लोग घर रहें, स्वस्थ रहें, घर रह के पढ़ाई करें, अच्छे से पढ़ाई करें। ओके, बाय बाय।
Hello friends, in part 13 I will solve a question number 10. At my previous videos I have solved a question till the question number 9. Now let's see first the question. I am going to explain the question. First let's see the question very carefully. In this question we will calculate the interest on capital, but before interest on capital few adjustment is there for the capital. Then see the question. A and B are partners. Two partners there in the question, A and B. Their capital on 1st April 16 were 2,10,000 and 90,000. Two partners are there and both the partner capital is A 2,10,000 and B 90,000. They share profit in the ratio 2:1. Profit share ratio is given 2:1. On 1st August 2016, they decide that their capital should be readjusted according to their profit sharing ratio. This is a new point up to the question 1 to 9. They want to be readjusted on their capital on 1st August 2016 in their profit sharing ratio. It means we will calculate a new capital. The necessary adjustment in the capital were made by drawing or introducing cash. After the readjustment of their capital, first they will calculate they have to be bring more capital or they have to be withdrawn from capital. Interest on capital is allowed at 10% per annum. Interest on capital is given. Then compute interest on capital as on 31st March 2017. So as per the follow the question, first we will calculate the capital or the adjusted capital for the A and B. Total capital of A and B. A's capital is given the question 2,10,000 and B's capital is given the question 90,000 and total capital is equal to both the partners is 3 lakh. A and B want to be readjusted capital adjusted capital of A is adjusted. Capital A is adjusted in the ratio of 2:1. 2:1 is given the question. Profit share ratio is 2:1. The A total capital is firm capital is 3 lakh. Combined capital of 3 lakh. 3 lakh multiply by 2 by 3. 2 by 3. A's capital is equal to 2 lakh. Same thing. Capital of B is adjusted. Three lakh apply by 1 by 3rd is the share of B is equal to 1 lakh. And for the capital comparison, A's capital was on old capital was 2,10,000 and new capital is 2 lakh. Here we write old capital of A was 2 lakh and new capital of A old capital of A 2,10,000 and new capital of A 2 lakh. It means as per the question they want to be readjusted of the capital as per the new profit sharing ratio. The new capital is 2 lakh and old capital is 2,10,000. They will adjust on their capital according to new capital. It means 10,000 have to be invested on a excess, so they have to be withdrawn. 10,000 withdrawn from the firm. Withdrawal from 10,000. And for same thing for the B, old capital of B is given in the question 90,000, and of new capital is a new capital of B is 1 lakh, and they have to be need maintaining on the capital as per the new capital. New capital is 1 lakh and the old capital is 90,000. They will invest it in the business 10,000 more. It means they will bring up. A will withdraw 10,000 from the firm and B will bring 10,000 in the firm. And one more calculation we will do for this question, for the calculation of interest on capital. If students will calculate interest on capital, then first calculation of interest on capital. Interest on capital we will calculate on the behalf of A's and the B's capital. A's capital first was on 2,10,000. Percentage is given the question, and we will apply a time period for the same question as per the question number second or question number third. Here solve for the 2,10,000 is a old capital, and they have to be set on a capital of on 1st August. 1st August, it means April, May, June, July. For the 4 months, the capital will be the same is 2,10,000, 4 months. And interest and capital is given the question is 12%. 12%. And for the interest and capital of for A. And for the capital is changed after the 1st August, capital will be a 2 lakh. We have calculated a new capital of the A, 2 lakh. 2 lakh. 1st August they have to be rearrangement of their capital on 1st August to 31st March. Total months is 8. 8 by 12 multiply by 12% is given. Then calculate 12 12 cancel. 80, 400, 12 12 cancel. 60,000, 34,400 for the interest on capital of A. Same thing for the B. B, same capital for the B. The old capital is for the B is 90,000. The old capital on B is 90,000, and time schedule, time period are same for the Buddha partner. On 1st August, it means 1st April to 31st July. The capital will be the same 90,000. Then 4 months. Interest on capital are same for Buddha partners, 12%, 3,600. And capital estimate, capital change. On 1st August, capital will be a 1 lakh. It is a new capital after the estimate of capital. Month is same, 12%. Is equal to 8,000. 12 12 cancel, 8,000. 11,600. So interest on capital is for the A 24,400 and for B 11,600. And students, this is the complete question number 10, and continue with question number 11. After the solving the question number 10, next question I am solving here question number 11. So first, before I start to solve the question, I am explaining the question here. First question is A, B and C were partners in a firm having capital of 2 lakh and 80,000. So students, capital of A is 2 lakh and B is 2 lakh and C is 80,000. Respectively, on 1st April 2015, their current account balance were 20,000, 10,000 and C for 5,000 is debit. According to the partnership deed, the partners were entitled to interest on capital at the rate of 10%. It means the firm will allow to the partners is 10% interest on capital. Then we will calculate the interest on capital of to all the partners 10%. First 10% is 20,000 and 8,000. Next is B, being the working partner, were also entitled a salary of 6,000 per quarter is given. So in a 1 year, it's going to be a 4 quarter, and 4 quarters is going to 1 year. It means each quarter for the 3 months, B are getting a salary of 6,000 per quarter. The profit were to be divided as follows. Is a new question, is a new pattern for the distribution of profit. The profit distribution as per the few categories those are given. When I will calculate the profit, then we will read this system. The firm made at a profit of 2,80,000 for the year ending 31st March 2016. It means that closing year is 31st March 2016, and profit is given. Those profit came out from profit and loss account. By profit is 2,80,000. Now the firm will be allowed the interest on capital out of the profit. The firm will be charged the interest on capital out of the profit. So same thing, the interest on capital will be a debit. Interest on capital of partner A, partner B and partner C. Partner A is 20 and for C is 8,000. Total interest on capital is 48,000, and the firm is allowed a salary to be. This salary is also will be charged against the profit, so it will be a debit. Salary also given is 6,000 per quarter. 6,000 per quarter, it means 6,000 multiplied by 4 is equal to 6 4 24,000. Completed. The firm, two things are allowed to the partners or the firm or the out of profit. Next total 2,80,000 and total of debit side 2 lakh. Here I am writing here 2,80,000 and total of 72. Remain is 2,08,000 is a profit. 2,08,000 is a profit. Balancing is 2,80,000. To profit transfer to partners capital account. To 8,000 is the profit in this question. And students, we will distribute the profit among the partner as per the conditions. 3 conditions given in the question. I will having it. So first, see the calculation of distribution of profit. First condition number A. A is given the first 60,000 in the proportion to their capital. So first 60,000. First 60,000 in proportion to their capital. It means 3 partners are there. First is A, second is B, and third is C. So students, for 60,000 will distribute in the ratio of their capital. Capital is given in the question was on 2 lakh and 80,000. Then we will calculate the ratio. So first ratio is 4 5 20, 4 5 20 and 4 2 8. 5 5 2. Then 5 divided by 12, ratio 5 divided by 12, ratio 2 divided by 12. Clear this thing? All 0 to all 0 cancel. Remain is 20, 20 and 8. So first 12, 5 is 16, 5 5 is 25. First is 25,000. Second is same 25,000 and C is 10,000. This point is clear. Next for the B. B is asking for the next 1 lakh in the ratio of 4 ratio 3 ratio 1. So for the 1 lakh in the ratio of 4 ratio 3 ratio 1. 4 by 8, 3 by 8 and first 8, 16, 8 5 is 40. 12,500 multiplied by 4. 50,000. 12,500 multiplied by 3. 37,500. 12,500 multiplied by 1. 12,500. So student, we have calculated till the estimate number 5, estimate number B 60,000 and 1 lakh. Next is given remaining profit to be shared equally. So first we will calculate how much profit have to distribute till the A and B. So total profit is 2,08,000. Total profit is 2,08,000. After 2,08,000, we have distributed 60,000 and 1 lakh. It means remain is, see the 2,08,000 minus less 1 lakh. 60,000 will direct, remain is 48,000. And for the point number C, remaining profit will be distributed equally. It means 48,000 equally. 3 partners are there, so ratio will be equal 1 by third. Equal 1 ratio 1 ratio 1. It is a sign of equal. So 1 by third, 1 by third, and ratio 1 by third. Clear this thing? So first is 16,000. 48,000 distributed equally and 16,000. Now total of all the cases, 6, 5, 11, 7, 1, 8, 91,000. Next total 78,500 and next 38,500. One more thing, after the calculation of distribution of profit, we will pass the journal entry of the profit entry. So first we will draw the format of the journal entry. Date, particulars, LF laser folio, amount debit and amount credit. So these profit are received by the partners. So partner will be accredited because the partner are getting this profit. So we'll pass the entry for the A capital, B is capital and C is capital. 91,000, 78,500 and 38,500. Entry, profit loss appropriation account debit to A's capital, to B's capital and to C's capital. The profit are recorded in the debit side of profit loss appropriation account. My point is clear. The profit are recorded in the profit loss debit side. The profit loss account will be a debit to the partner's capital. Date is 31st March 2016. The closing date. Profit and loss appropriation account debit to A's capital, to B's capital, to C's capital. and narration. Profit transfer to partners. Partners, or in this question, students, current capital is given. So this profit transfer to the current account. Partners profit transfer to the current account. Now, post the profit. A's profit was on 91,000, B's profit was on 78,500, and C's profit was on 38,500, and total was on 2,08,000. Now friends, this question is completed.
आपको टॉपिक क्लियर हो गया होगा तो घर पर रह के पढ़ाई करें, मस्त रहें, स्वस्थ रहें। जय हिंद, जय भारत।